I'm just going to come up just an inch off my log and take that measurement and duplicate it here. So now I have two equal measurements and I made a mark. Now, coming in off my circle, I'm just going to draw a line connecting down to this mark here. Just right like that. The width of this line is just a couple inches. And the same thing on this side. Great. Let's add some more highlights into our bear now. Take your small pointy brush again. We're going to mix an even lighter tan. Taking yellow and red with white and just a little bit of black. Even going to lighten that up even more. Some yellow and white. So I get a nice beach sand color. I'm going to work this color up here in the back to start. Again, painting in